Well, and that is a very good evening to you all. It's Annette here, Fairy Dust Nails, and I'm doing something tonight for the beginners using gel polish. We've got a prepped nail. It's again on the little nail stand, but when you have a customer, you will make sure that the cuticle area, nail, and everything is prepped. So I'm going to show you one or two others that I've done. This is the one. And this one I'm going to use like a turquoise, a purple, a pink, a yellow, a orange, and a light green. Maybe what we should do is put a blue, as well, a little dark blue. Let's add a dark blue. Okay, so what we're going to need is all the gel polishes opened in a row. Then we're going to also need a nice brush, like one that is nice and thick but very long, like a striper brush. I'm going to use that one. And then I'm also going to use my very, very thin one, like this one. And these are all the tools that you need. Okay, so when we take the nail, we take the dark blue. I'm going to use my little palette. And what I'll do is I'll just put a little bit of the dark blue, a little bit of the turquoise, purple, pink, yellow, orange, and a very light green, like a minty green, a little bit darker, I would say. There we go. What we do is then take this nail. I'm really going to soak this thick liner brush in this blue. I'm going to put it right at the end here. Also have your gel wipe and your little lint-free wipe ready so that you can rinse off the brush. Just rinsing off the brush quickly. Got my lint-free wipe and of course the gel wipe off solution. I just clean my brush, take one of the lint-free wipes and just drag it slightly over the hair. Then what I'm going to do is go in with the turquoise. Do the same, rinse and wipe off. Then we're going to take the purple. I'm trying to do it so that the gel doesn't run into each other. Now I'm taking the pink. Rinse off. Yellow. go right up to the sides. Rinse, wipe off. Orange. And then, of course, the green. Now the green, I'm going to take a little bit extra, right just up to the end. Put it back, there we go. Now we take the thin brush and we're going to drag from this corner to that corner. Then do the same from there to corner, there to the corner. You see, I just go in little loops. Just fill in your gap there with whatever color is there close by. Take a little bit of extra blue if you need to fill in. And just for a little bit of fun, I'm going to take the green and drag it up. Just take the brush a little bit. And then drag it down. And that is it. So let's cure it for 60 seconds. Now we're going to get the palette out of the way. And of course, the stuff that we used to clean the brushes. And that's what it looks like. Easy peasy. Now I'm going to just top coat. You're not going to put a second layer on this because you're never going to tie-dye the same and you have put generous amounts of gel on in the first place. So it's cured and we're going to cure this for 60 seconds and I'll take a picture and show you at the beginning and the end. Everyone have a very, very good evening. It was nice chatting to you guys and cheers. See you soon.